How to mute WhatsApp channel notifications. How to mute WhatsApp channel notifications. VoiceOver script. Welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute notifications from WhatsApp channels so you can stay distraction-free. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Step 2. Go to the Updates tab where all your channels are listed. Step 3. Find the channel you want to mute and tap it to open. Step 4. Tap the three dots in the top right corner if you're on Android, or tap the channel name at the top if you're on iPhone. Step 5. Select Mute Notifications. You'll see options like 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Step 6. Choose your preferred duration and confirm. That's it. The channel is now muted and you won't get constant notifications anymore. If you ever want to unmute, just repeat the same steps and select Unmute Notifications. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple WhatsApp and social media guides. Do you also want me to prepare